In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward email in Zendesk. Whether you're working with a teammate who also needs to be kept in the loop or communicating with someone outside your organization, this simple task is crucial for seamless collaboration and information sharing. To get started, you'll first need to open the ticket that you want to forward. This is where you'll find the conversation that needs to be shared with someone else, either within your team or externally. Look for the ticket within your Zendesk dashboard and click to open it. At this point, it's important that you're familiar with the content of the ticket, as this will help you decide how best to share it and who needs to be informed. Once you have the ticket open, it's time to look for the CC field. The CC field can usually be found within the ticket's reply section. This is the key area where you'll input the email address of the person you wish to include in the conversation. You can add any email address here, whether it's a colleague who is part of your Zendesk team or someone external to your organization. Type the correct email address into the CC field carefully to ensure that the information reaches the intended party without any hitches. Adding a public reply is the next step. In Zendesk, only replies marked as public will broadcast the ticket updates to all parties involved, including those CC'd on the email. Simply type your message into the public reply box. This might be additional context explaining why you're including the recipient or simply the information they need to be aware of. Remember to communicate clearly and concisely, as this helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and aware of the key details relevant to the ticket. Once your public reply is ready to send, go ahead and submit it. As a result, the person you CC'd will receive an email update containing your message. They'll continue to receive follow-up updates each time the ticket is addressed, as long as they remain on the CC list. This step is crucial for maintaining transparency and ensuring that stakeholders are consistently informed without needing to manually update them at every turn. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to ensure that important communications don't just stay siloed in one place. Remember, efficient communication is the backbone of effective teamwork, and using features like forwarding emails in Zendesk ensures that everyone remains informed and aligned. Whether you're sharing updates internally or looping in external partners, utilizing the CC feature can greatly enhance your customer support processes and overall teamwork. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Zendesk a little more smoothly.